Charts are very important, and even though they may look a little complicated on first glance, they're not too different than any other chart you saw in grade school. The basic premise of a stock chart is to plot prices of a stock across a certain time frame, whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, or short intervals intraday, meaning how the stock traded throughout a single trading day. Let's take a look at a daily chart from MarketSmith service. You have your time frame at the bottom and then you also have your price on the side. Looking a little closer at the price area of a daily chart, the top of the bar represents the highest price of stock traded that day, while the bottom of the bar represents the lowest price a stock traded that day. Your horizontal line is the closing price or the last price that stock traded that day. If you are looking at the chart during the middle of a trading session, well, that is the current price. A blue bar represents a price gain from the day before, while a red bar represents a price loss from the day before. Down at the bottom, we can see the volume or the number of shares traded that day. The color of the volume bar corresponds to the color of the price bar, meaning was the stock up or down that day. Volume is very important because it signals how much buying or selling demand there is in a stock. It's key to follow the big money when you are investing. Now, heavy volume when a stock is rising is a bullish or positive sign. It's good to see strong volume when a stock is rising because that means demand is strong. But heavy volume when a stock is falling is a bearish or negative sign and maybe reason enough for you to sell your position. Price and volume are the two most important areas to look at on a chart, whether you are buying or selling. If you see a stock finished the trading session at the top of its range and heavy volume, that's a sign of strength. And if a stock falls but closes well off the low and the decline comes in light volume, that could indicate supporting action. That's just a taste of how you can use price and volume to help you make investing decisions. For more information on how to invest in stocks, check out marketsmithindia.com.